Hi everybody, this is your news. Now, a while back I did an article about food in Scotland with nae longer hae not proven, or nae proven, is fit a bit in Doric for it. Now, fit somebody told me about that I didn't ken is in other Scots fit we had was Nocht proven. If it's actually it's nae proven or not proven, again it's nahin proven, because Nocht is, well, be the same as Nathan. But I'll go and correct that in the article. In Doric I put it as nae proven, but again if we had Nocht proven before instead of not proven, we'll put it to that. But check out this, fits in there. This isn't AI, this is just fit it looks like in Scotland in the winter. It's half a boy.